halor kamat kebedai bagi Jingjaboh ke Lyer Byrnihat. Menteri ketenat Kyrkieh ke jelam Lyer uba awailat miki shla ulong bagi sarkar kadam Shim kanu kesenjam tang halor ki Khubor ha kerensan social media. Klaim debi syar Byrnihat bat pensisha shwai ke jingtip. Ula kedau bahaduk menta empat dan kanu kejing ujor ke balawan cekmat agar hukum kejing tho rengkat bat kisaki ke babiang. Walau menteri ula pediang bagi Byrnihat kela judan nak thup jeng kijaka ki Jingjaboh Lyer tam ula banjur ba ke Lyer State Pollution Control Board kela Shim Byrnihat ki senjam ki bela penlong ki bani okusnam. Bat kangru ya ki karkhana ki ba pengken kendon. Ula benrap bagi sarkar kahap ban perkat langru ikalat kamai jeng ginong shong shwawan Shim ya ke rai ke bakat dua.
Because whatever we see in social media. Nothing has come in written. So I think it is very important that they should give in writing along with all the supporting data which they have. You see, because nowadays with all the technology in place, so anybody can say whatever they like. But for us as a government, we cannot just jump on anything if anybody comment, because this is related with the livelihood of the people as well. You cannot deny that, because if we just jump and if anything it's impacted, like what had happened for the coal mining in 2014, NGT comes, no doubt environmental issue was there, right? We are not denying that. But we have to also to think the impact which gonna cause the people living in that area, which still now you see that the people are like, now they are coming to the street. So that's why I feel that as a government, I think no doubt we have to listen. We are not. I'm not saying that we are not looking at it. No doubt we are looking at it, and we are trying to from our sources and other. From other sources, we are trying to get all the details, whether it is a fact or not. But we need time to process that. We cannot just say that jump on that whatever they showed in the social media and we jump there and go for inspection, close this and that. I think that is not the way. So we have a process to follow.
But because based on the ranking of,
like I said, I'm not denying that. I'm not denying that. I mean, like we in the past we have seen that Byrnihat was top at one of the polluted industrial area. But at the same time also, I think you have seen it yourself that many initiatives have been taken by the government. And then we have also closed many of the industrial units which have not followed the guideline, who have not maintained the pollution, the AQI. So we have already taken action, and I think because of all those action, just recently, if you remember, the Meghalaya State Pollution Board had received an award, based on the step they have taken in Byrnihat. So I think that itself, it is it is kind of opposite what we are hearing right now. But I'm not saying that we are. I'm not denying that they are there is that is an industrial area. We should not forget that. But what I'm saying is that we need to check the credibility of that of that news, of that evidence before taking any step. If you say, if I can just comment here, I will say, what is happening in Delhi? Delhi is like the air quality in Delhi. The kind of serious kind of effect, the effect which is affecting the people living in Delhi of their health. We heard that many children are suffering now. So based on that, they will take action. So they will go through their process, they will check, they will verify, and then after that they will take action. I'm not saying that we are not doing nothing. We'll do, but we'll follow our procedure, and at the same time, because we have to be very careful when it is deal with the livelihood of the people.